Alam niyo bang may higit sa 100 uri ng kanser? Ang kanser ay terminolohiyang tungkol sa genetic disease na pagkakaroon ng mga abnormal cells sa katawan na patuloy na nagpaparami ng walang tigil at kumakalat sa iba't ibang tissue at organs. One of the most common cancers is breast cancer. Ang madalas na sintomas ng breast cancer ay ang pagkakaroon ng bukol sa dibdib o sa may bandang kilikili. Maaari ding makaranas ng pamamaga, pamumula, at pagbabalat sa may nipple area. Pagkakaroon ng discharge gaya ng dugo, pagbabago ng laki at pananakit ng dibdib. Ilan lamang yan sa mga sintomas ng breast cancer. In today's episode, we'll look into how barley grass helps in keeping our immune system healthy and how it aids in fighting against this dreaded disease.
The overall health of a person is important. The healthier you are, the better it will be for your whole system. Whether it's resistance, whether it's cancer. Remember, it is an antioxidant. Okay, it is a very strong antioxidant, and one of the treatment modalities for cancer is that. That's the reason why many of the other forms of treatment give medicines or foods that are high antioxidants. That's the one that will help with the cancer. What else can it do? Because of its alkaline nature, it can decrease acidity. And acidity is one of the problems of cancer, diba? Acidity and the sweetness of things, diba? Too much sugar. So it helps in that sense as well. That's why it's important to test yourself as often as possible. Better when you're in the shower, let's say, or when you're taking a bath. Do a self-examination. Know your breast well. Some breasts are naturally lumpy, some are not.
Barley grass has been shown to prevent or slow down the damage of free radicals and is known to inhibit the growth of cancer cells through the combined effects of high alkalinity, strong antioxidative phytochemicals, flavonoids, and chlorophyll. Ugaliin ang regular na pagsusuri sa mga bukol na tumutubo sa katawan at mabuting magpatingin sa doktor kapag may napapansing kakaiba o kung may nararanasan sa alinman sa mga sintomas. The earlier, the better, ika nga. In Sante, we believe that health is wealth. Tandaan, alagaan ang sarili so we can live more and do more. I'm Kuya Kim, and I'm on grass.